New to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2018 GMC Acadia SLT-1 that is factory certified, which means that your investment will be protected for years to come. On the exterior of this Acadia, we have heated and power door mirrors, rear collision alert system, power liftgate, and rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 7, heated and power front seats, push-to-start technology, and remote keyless entry. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This 2018 GMC Acadia has less than 66,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buy Back Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.